Oh shit! Was that crank grape?
Oh, bitch, I'm tired. Leticia, I'm so tired. Look at that baby. Isn't he cute? Oh, it's a boy or girl? It's a girl. Oh, she looks just like her daddy. Hey, girl, how you is? Oh. That girl's already giving me a headache. I've only had my child for like 1 minute. Now I already got a headache. Oh, no. I'm just joking, Leticia. I'm going to be a good old mom. I'm going to be a good ass mama. I can already tell. You know, I'm going to show that baby how to drop it like it's hot. I sure did just drop a baby like it's hot. Did I not? Ooh, she's the next Beyonce. Listen to those lines. Wow! Yeah, that's right, girl. We're going to make millions. She looks just like her daddy. Just like her daddy. Just like her daddy.
That's hard when you're carrying on good bullets.